This dashcam footage was recorded in May of 2020. It shows a vehicle driving down the road in heavy rain and high winds. The area had been experiencing storms like this for the last few weeks. As the driver pushes through, power lines up ahead begin to tip over. One of them gives out, taking many others down with it. The power lines explode as they hit the wet ground, leaving cables and debris strewn across the highway. A man on a motorcycle coming from the opposite direction can be seen stopping and running on foot into a field to get away from the wires. Shortly after, the driver with the dashcam does something similar, driving off the road onto a nearby dirt path with power lines still exploding in the distance. It's unknown if anyone was injured during the incident.
Second tunnel. This dashcam footage was taken on June 2nd, 2022 in Australia. The driver of the vehicle had both a front-facing and rear-facing camera. Around 5 p.m., the driver was pulling up to a red light to turn left. In the rear-facing camera, a Mercedes can be seen pulling up just behind it. Almost immediately after, the driver's side door swings open and a man gets out, quickly approaching the vehicle while holding some sort of metal object. Fortunately, the driver happened to be looking in the rearview mirror when the door opened, which gave him enough time to react. He was forced to drive off the road and through a patch of grass, cutting in front of 3 cars. The man with the Mercedes was left standing in the roadway. The driver who uploaded the footage doesn't know what the man wanted. He mentioned it was possible he could have cut off the Mercedes earlier on the road without realizing it, but no evidence of this was found anywhere in the footage. The man could have been trying to rob the driver, or maybe even worse. There's no clear way of knowing for sure. On August 1st, 2021, a forest fire in California, later named the Antelope Fire, was started by lightning. Over the next few days and weeks, the fire quickly began spreading. During that time, multiple groups of fire trucks in the area were sent out to try and contain it. The footage you're seeing was taken at 1 a.m. on September 10th. This truck was one of many in a group that was sent out that night. They were driving on a road close to the fire, but because of the wind's direction at the time, they were quickly overrun.
I mean, this was all fine when we were driving down here 2 hours ago. But I guess when it got away from us back there, went a little bit deeper interior and just...
244, engine 1671, keep driving as fast as you can, come on.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to go. This guy's driving slow, but we need to get the f*** out of here. Drive. Drive, bro. Holy.
Engine 334, 1671, where are you? Are you in section 14 yet?
Go.
Hey, 334 turn
Go,
around,
dude.
the other way.
This guy needs to
Heading
drive.
north? We're gonna start heading south.
Oh.
Hey, we're backing up. We're cut off heading north out of... Copy that. Yeah, we're just gonna turn around.
Turning around is not an option.
The road in front of them had been engulfed by the flames, but by now, so was the road behind them. This forced them off the road to find another path.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah. Oh. Go. Holy.
Hey, you guys pull back.
Road. Yep. Get on the road. Oh. Come on. Get on that road.
I'm trying.
Oh. road. Got here.
Hey, help! I'm down, man. Stop! I'm down!
Oh my God.
Stop! Let me in! Let me...
Oh,
We might have lost some people.
oh, dude. Go, 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 go. Go. Holy, dude. Oh my God.
Finally, they reached a clearing and made it out of the fire. Some of the other trucks weren't as lucky. A few of those trucks were badly damaged, but other than one of the drivers receiving burns to his hands, every firefighter made it out uninjured. It wouldn't be until October 15th that the fire was 100% contained. This footage was captured in Slovakia back in 2012. A family was taking a drive on a narrow country road with trees closely packed on both sides. Eventually, they came across a fallen tree covering their entire side of the road. However, they continued on, but just in front of them, they found another. As they approached the second tree, cracking could be heard just ahead. A tree was falling, starting a domino effect with more trees collapsing closer and closer to their vehicle. The family attempted to reverse out of there, but the trees caught up to them and fell directly on top of their car, leaving them trapped. Meanwhile, even more trees continued to fall on top of them. Later, it was discovered that this was the result of what's known as ground destabilization, caused by excessive amounts of rain. In the last 8 days, it had rained almost nonstop in the area, saturating the soil and making the ground loose. This essentially caused the trees to lose their firm hold in the ground. When one tree fell, the small force it exerted on the surrounding trees was enough to bring them down as well. The vehicle clearly suffered damage. However, it's unclear if anyone inside was injured during the incident. This dashcam footage was taken from a pickup truck in Chile. The driver had just gotten onto a highway on-ramp and continued forward. The vehicle just in front of him started using its brakes to slow down. Eventually, they came to a complete stop altogether. That's when the vehicle's doors swung open and two guys got out, one armed with what looked like a gun. Initially, the driver tried reversing out of there, but there was now a car behind him. This left him with no other option but to push forward. The vehicle was pushed far enough for the driver to get onto the highway. During the push, the brake lights of the attacker's vehicle can be seen turning on, but this had almost no effect on the pickup. The video was shown to the police to help identify the men. It was also posted online, and a few days later, the real owner of the vehicle used by the men recognized the car as their own. It turned out the car had been stolen a few days prior to this video being taken. This led the police to believe that the men were also trying to steal the pickup.